Take a ride in the 2022 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, moonroof, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.